Hello again. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Let's see how much you know with a few quick questions.
Let's start with our first question. When a patient arrives with an avulsed permanent central incisor, what is the best immediate storage medium if Hank's balanced salt solution is unavailable? Moving to question 2. When managing an avulsed permanent tooth, which action poses the greatest risk of damaging the sensitive periodontal ligament cells? For our final question, consider the ideal conditions for replantation. What is the recommended extraoral dry time window and the appropriate initial splinting duration for a permanent tooth? Here are the correct answers to the practice questions.
Here's today's Tooth Wisdom Challenge. What's the one thing you'll remember from this video? Drop your answer in the comments. Remember to learn, like, share, and inspire.